the previous class we have learned measurements in length. Today we are going to learn calendar, manufacture date and expiry date.
Children, you already learned about days of the week. Let us recall it. 1 week has how many days? 1 week equal to 7 days. 1 week equal to 7 days. What are those days? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. The 7 days are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. What is the first day of the week? The first day of the week is Sunday. First day of the week is Sunday. The last day of the week is Saturday. Last day of the week is Saturday. Which day is our common holiday? Yeah, Sunday is our common holiday. Children, let us recall the months of the year. How many months are there in a year? 1 year has 12 months. 1 year has 12 months. So 1 year equal to 12 months. So what are those months? First one is January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. So first month is January, second month is February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. So this we know very well. Now we can learn number of days in each month. Children, now we can learn number of days in each month using our hand. Close your hand like this and you have to consider
Knuckle pot has
31 days. Group pot has 30 days. Group pot has 30 days. First one January, February, March, April, May, June, July. Again repeat August, September, October, November and December. Consider
it is a knuckle pot.
it is a group pot.
Knuckle pot has
31 days. 31 days. Let's leave this. We can consider
knuckle pot has
31 days. Group pot has 30 days. 31 days. 30 days. And 31 days. So now we can start to write the months. First January, February, March, April, May, June, July. So we can repeat again August, September, October, November and December. Tell me which months are having 31 days? January has 31 days. So first one January, January, January. Second one March. Third, which month? May. July, August, October and December. So these months are having 31 days. January, March, May, July, August, October and December. These months are having 31 days. Out of 12 months, 7 months having 31 days. Now we can write months having 30 days. Months having 30 days. So here, which month having 30 days? April. Next, June. Tell me the next month. September. Last one, November. So, 7 months are having 31 days, and April, June, September and November months having 30 days. So, totally 11 months are over. The last one is February. February has 28 days. We know very well February has special month. It has 28 days. In a leap year, it has 29 days. In a leap year, it has 29 days. February is a special month. It has 28 days. In a leap year, it has 29 days. In a leap year, February month has 29 days. February has 28 days or 29 days. How many days are there in January? January has 31 days. February has 28 days. February has 28 days. In leap year, it has 29 days. In leap year, it has 29 days. In March, 31 days. March, 31 days. April, 30 days. April, 30 days. May, 31 days. June, 30 days. June, 30 days. July, July has 31 days. August, how many days are there in August? 31 days. September, 30. How many days are there in October month? October has 31 days. November, 30. And December, 31. Children, next leap year. A leap year has 366 days. It occurs once in every 4 years. Earth takes 365 and quarter days to orbit the sun. So 1 year equal to, generally we will write 1 year equal to 365 days. 1 year equal to 365 days. This extra quarter day is missing. So when I add 4 quarter days, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, it becomes 1 day. That 1 day only leap year. That 1 day is added to February month. That's why February has 29 days in a leap year. So leap year has how many days? Leap year has 366 days. 1 leap year equal to 366 days. So 2016 was a leap year. 2016 was a leap year. 2020 is a leap year. 2024 will be the next leap year. Now we can read a particular day and date. Here Mahatma Gandhi's birthday was on the 2nd of October 1869. So date, month, year. Generally we have to write first 2 digit is date slash month. Next 2 digit is month. Next slash last 4 digit is year. Last 4 digit is year. What is the date? Mahatma Gandhi birthday was on 2nd. So 2nd means 0, 2. We have to mention 0, 2. So first two digit is date. Which month is October? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. October is a 10th month. October is a 10th month. So we can write next two digit is 10. So which year they are given? 1869. So we can write the formation date, month, last year. Mahatma Gandhi's birthday was on 2nd October / 10th month 1869. 1869. Children, now we can write today's date in date format. So what is the today's date? 10 / month October. October is the 10th month. Then year 2020. Write your birthday date in this date format. Children, now we can find the age of students. Now we can find the age of students. I have taken two students' date of birth. One is 3/6/2012. Another one is 12/11/2013. Now we can find age of student 1. While finding the age, first we have to write the at present date. So while writing also we have to write reverse order. First year, at present year, month, then date. While finding age, we have to write year first, then month, at last date. So what is the date of birth? 2012. First we can write 2012. Month is 6. Date is 3. So what is the age of student 1? First we have to subtract the date. 10 minus 3 is 7. 10 minus 6 is 4. 10 minus 6 is 4. After that we have to subtract year. So 2020 minus 2012. So 20 minus 12. Borrow from here. 1. 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. 10 minus 2 is 8. Then remaining 0. So the age of student 1 is 8 years 4 months. So 8 years we can write. Age is 8 years. Age is 8 years. Next student 2. So first what we have to do? We have to write the present date. That also year, month, date. So what is the year? 2020. Month is 10. Date also 10. What is the date of birth of student 2? 12/11/2013. 12/11/2013. So first write 2013. 11th month and 12 and 12. We want to subtract 10 minus 12. We can't subtract. We have to borrow from where? Month. We have to borrow from month. 1 month equal to 30 days. So if you borrow 9 month and here 40 days. Here 40 days. 1 month equal to 30 days. 30 plus 10, 40. 40 minus 12, how much? 10, 3. 10 minus 2 is 8. 3 minus 1, 2. 28 days. Then 9 months we can't subtract 11. What we have to do? We have to borrow from year. So if you strike out, we are taking 1 year, 2019. 1 year equal to 12 months. 1 year equal to 12 months. So, if you give 1, 12 plus 9 is how much? 12 plus 9 is 21. 9 plus 12 is 21. 1 minus 1, 0. 2 minus 1, 10. Here we want to subtract. 9 minus 3 is 6. 1 minus 1 is 0. So, Student 2 has 6 years, 10 months, 28 days. So we can write 7 years. Children, try to find your age of yours and your family members. Children, now we can write these in date format. So how to write the date format? First 2 digit is day. First 2 digit is date. Dot. Next 2 digit is month. Last 4 digit is year. Last 4 digit is year. So November 15th, 2018 is given. Here what is the date? 15. So first we can write 15 dot. Which month is the November? November is the 11th month. November is the 11th month. So 11 and year 2018. Same way next question. June 16th, 2018. So date is 16. Month is June. Which month? June. June is 6th month. So we have to write 06. Year is 2018. Year is 2018. Next, April 26th, 2018. First date 26. April is the 4th month. Year 2018. Next, December 10, 2017. December 10, 2017. So first date. December is the last month. It is 12th month. So we can write 12, 2017. Last one, May 26th, 2017. Date is 26. Date is 26. May is the 5th month, 2017. Children, now we can find the date and day of the special days using 2018 calendar. When is the Teacher's Day? Teacher's Day is on 5th September. 5th September. Which day 5th September occurs? 5th September occurs on Wednesday in 2018 calendar. So we can write Wednesday. Next one, Independence Day is on. When is the Independence Day? Independence Day is on 15th August. Independence is on 15th August. So first we can write 15th August. Which day 15th August occurs? 15th August occurs on Wednesday in 2018 calendar. So 15th August is Wednesday. When is the Republic Day? Republic Day is on 26th January. Republic Day is on 26th January. It occurs Friday. Last one, Children's Day is on November 14th. November 14th. Children's Day is on 14th November. It occurs Wednesday.
Children, they have given October month 2018 calendar. Now we can fill in these blanks. Number of days in October 2018 is? How many days are there in the October month? Yeah, 31 days. Next one, the number of Sundays. How many Sundays are there in October month? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 Sundays are there in October month. The third one, the first Saturday is on 6th October. Fourth one, the last day of the month is Wednesday. The last day of the month is Wednesday. Children, what is the 10th day of 2018 October month? Yeah, Wednesday. Children, 6th one, the third Wednesday comes on 17th October. Children, I purchased some products from the shop. We should check two things. One is manufacturing date and another one is expiry date. Children, now we can learn manufacture date and expiry date. Children, manufacture date. Manufacturing date or the date of manufacture refers to the date in which the product is produced. Next, expiry date. Expiry date or the date of expiry refers to the date up to which the product can be used. We should not use a product beyond its expiry date. Children, I bought this medicine from the medical shop. Before buying it, we should check the manufacturing date and expiry date. What is the manufacturing date? The manufacturing date is April 20. That means April 2020. What is the expiry date? The expiry date is March 22. That means March 2022. So, we can use this medicine till March 2022. Children, find the manufacture date and expiry date of this soap. The manufacture date is 6/2020. Expiry date is 5/2023. What is the manufacture date of Three Roses? The manufacture date is 3/8/2020. The expiry date is they have given best before 12 months. 12 months means 1 year equal to 12 months. So, expiry date is 3/8/2021. What is the manufacture date of this paste? Manufacture date is 7/2020. Expiry date is 6/2023. Children, what is the manufacture date of this medicine? The manufacture date of this medicine is 5/2020. Expiry date of this medicine is 4/2022. Children, collect some food products and write the manufacture date and expiry date of it.
Children, now we can calculate duration between manufacture date and expiry date. Manufacture date and expiry date of products. Here the given name of the food products, manufacture date and expiry date. We want to find difference. Difference means duration of product to be used. So first one, honey. The manufacture date is 15/7/2017. Expiry date is 18/9/2019. So we can use this honey 17 after 17, 18. We can use this honey for 2 years. So 2 years. Next one, cashew nut. Cashew nut manufacture date is 29/12/2005. Expiry date is 30/2/2008. So after 2005, 6, 2007, 2008. So we can use this cashew nut for 3 years. 3 years. Pickle. Manufacture date is February 2018. Expiry date is April 2018. Here, year is same. So we have to find the difference in month. So February next, February next, March, April. So we can use this pickle for 2 months. 2 months. Next, coffee powder. Manufacture date is August 2008. Expiry date is November 2008. So here year is same. So we have to calculate the difference in month. So what is the next month of August? September. September, October, November. So we can use this coffee powder 3 months. 3 months. Next, badam milk. Manufacture date is February 2019. Expiry date is March 2019. But here year is same. So how many months we can use? What is the next month of the February? March. So we can use this badam milk for 1 month. Now we can find how many days are there in first 5 months of the leap year. So what are the first 5 months? January, February, March, April, May. So till May we want to calculate the number of days. So first month is January. Second month, February. March, April, May. Now we can find the number of days. So first we can draw. So first what we have to do? So first January, February, March, April, May. So the knuckle is 31 days. In leap year, February has how many days? In a leap year, February has 29 days. April, 30 days. So now we can write January has 31 days. February, 29. March, 31. April, 30. May, 31. So total number of days. Now we can add 1 plus 9, 10, 11, 12. 2, carry over 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. So the number of days in first 5 months of a leap year is 152 days. 152 days. So children, next one, find the next 5 leap years. We know 2020 is a leap year. So first 2020 is a leap year. So the leap years occurs 4 years once. So we can add 4. What is the next leap year? 2024. So next 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So next leap year is 2028. So next leap year 29, 30, 31, 32. So next leap year is 2032. Next leap year is what we have to do? We have to add 4 years. 32 plus 4, 36. So the next leap year is 2036. So 2020, 2024, 2028, 2032, 2036 are leap years. So next, circle the ordinary year and box the leap year. Circle the ordinary year and box the leap year. Now we can take 2015. First we have to consider last 2 digits. 15 is multiple of 4 or not? It is not a multiples of 4. So it is an ordinary year. So it is an ordinary year. So we can circle. So 2016, we can take last 2 digit. 16 is multiple of 4. 4 fours are 16. So 2016 is a leap year. So what we have to do? Leap years we have to box it. So leap year we can box. 2017 is a ordinary year. So we can circle, and 18 also ordinary year. 2019 is a ordinary year. 2020 is a leap year. We know very well. 4 5s are 20. 4 5s are 20. So it is a leap year. We have to draw box. So leap year occurs 4 years once. So 1, 2, 3. The next leap year is 2024 is a leap year. So next 1, 2, 3. Next leap year is 2028. 1, 2, 3. The next leap year is 2032. So after the remaining years are ordinary year. We can draw circle. (2025) is a ordinary year. 2026 is a ordinary year. 2027 is a ordinary year. 2029 is a ordinary year. 30, 31, 33, 34 and 2035 also ordinary year.
Children, today we have learned days of the week, months of the year, age calculation, manufacture date and expiry date. Copy these in your term book. Thank you, children.